This is the San Luis Creek Lodge. I believe this is the deluxe room, but there is one larger than this that comes with a fireplace. But this room is pretty big. Big king bed, a seating area right here. No outside.
Heaven is
You
outside.
can't see what is out there. A little desk, TV, coffee station. They do bring breakfast every morning. The fridge is stocked with different types of drinks. And this is the massive bathroom. I did not expect this bathroom to be so big. The shower is huge. There's a nice big mirror, Aesop or Aesop goodies in here. Overall, very nice. Our breakfast has been delivered. Hopefully it's not too cold. We have pastries, coffee, and we gotta keep this cute little tote too. And we can use these mugs to give us. The original Stanley.
You said everything.
We are walking around downtown SLO. Super nice and sunny day. There's a lot of like brunch spots you can go to, and this town is very walkable.
Oh yeah. The weather is...
Lots of stores, a lot of cute like decor, stationery stores, and then you have like your Williams-Sonoma, Lululemons. Where are we? There's like H&M, but a lot of cute little stores you can walk around in. The plan today is to go wine tasting. There's a couple that we want to hit. We have one reservation at a tasting room, and then the others we'll just hopefully kind of just check out.
We're at Booker's Winery eating a burrito.
We were first gonna get ice, and then we saw this Mexican restaurant. We were like, actually, burrito sounds like a much better idea. Oh, eat it!
Whoa.
Eat it! Eat it! You should eat it from the other side. Your finger.
Perfect. trying the white. The name is white, but it's okay. It's doesn't last with you very long. It's nice and sweet, crisp.
This is the Oublié 2019. It's a blend. It's good.
I show you.
Show me.
I show you sommelier.
Okay.
Sommelier tasting. It's my sommelier hand. Well, definitely like on the lighter side, not too full. Excuse me.
It's too dark. Dang it.
But Booker like hit, you know?
Booker wine, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Literally, location is beautiful. Weather, beautiful. Wine was
Service
really good.
great.
Slightly
Wine
expensive though.
Yeah,
But
we
drink
didn't
it.
buy anything.
Yeah.
Thank you to our wine tasting person. What was his
Elias?
name? Elias?
Yeah, he was great.
Elias?
Yeah.
Elijah?
Elias, yeah.
It is Memorial Day weekend, so I don't know where we could go next, but hopefully we'll be able to check out a few more places. So pretty. Definitely a really cool, like, modern vibe.
Yeah. For
Can't
sure.
get you.
I gotta be behind
They
you.
got going on here. Oh my god, my veins. But super nice. We are now at Avila Beach. It was about a 20-minute drive from SLO. Small little beach town. There's like coffee shops, brunch places. Not very large though. Cute little beach town. A lot of cute houses. It is the beach. Avila Beach. I think we found a hidden gem. I don't know how hidden it is, but for us it was hidden. Where's it coming from? This is so good.
Literally like, I'm sorry. The song.
De Oro State Park. We came camping here once, years ago, but haven't been here since. This is the Bluffs Trail. Just found a random parking lot. We're just gonna walk towards the coast here. Super nice. Wow, look at these hills.
Welcome to Scars Thread. I can't see myself. Okay. Oh. So we're on
Point Buchan Trail.
Point Buchan Trail.
Buchan.
Things to note, you have to check in when you go on this trail.
It's like owned on private land. I think it's owned by PG&E.
PG&E? So yeah, they're super cool. All you have to do is check in. We thought you had to like get a reservation or pay for it, but that didn't seem like it was the case. It's all free. They just like to monitor the people going in and out. So cool rock formations, lots of wildlife. So let's see how it is.